working on stripping all these bits of metalwork that came off the door in the salon, off all the doors, so there's lots of them. And I'm trying all different methods to see what works. So to start with, I've used some proper stripper, which was supposed to leave on for half an hour. And I put this on the other day and then forgot about it. So it's been on for a few days. So I have a look at that one. But then I also want to try using acetone, because that's supposed to remove paint. So I thought if I made a little tub of acetone and then just soaked these in there, maybe that will work. So, okay, so here we go. So this is the one I prepared earlier. And then I was being sensible. I put it out the way so the cats wouldn't get to it, and then of course forgot about it. So this has had proper paint stripper on it. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I mean that's coming off. That is coming off. It's going to need a bit of, oh no, that's quite good actually. Because what I was worried about this stuff, because it's the liquidy stuff, I poured it on and then I was worried that it was just like rolling off really, it wasn't staying there. So I thought I'd have another go of doing a tub full of it, putting all the liquid in a tub and then putting these face down in it so that they're completely like submerged in contact. I've got loads to do, this could take ages. So idea number 2 is to fill one of these tubs with acetone and then just put these face down in them. So let's give that a go. And this is quite cheap to buy here, you can just buy it in big tubs. Right, is that going to be enough? Not quite. I guess I can always give it a second go, can't I? And then I think I'm going to do the same with the stripper and then put the stuff face down. Goggles on for this one. So this stuff is nasty, nasty, nasty. Hope it's all right in plastic. Ugh, look at it, horrible stuff. Okay. So, might need to... Could work, couldn't it? A bit more stuff in there. Ugh, horrible, horrible stuff. Okay. At least it's really getting a good covering. Okay, I'm going to leave that there and come back later. Fingers crossed, eh? Right, I found this little wire brush, so I thought I'd have more a go at these ones. So I think that one's quite good. And it obviously had more of the horrible stuff on it. Now, I was looking at the instructions on the back of this, and it says that you then rinse the thing in water, which doesn't sound right to me, so I'm going to go and check with the French speaker in the house, and then figure out what to do next. Okay, so the resident French speaker is busy editing, so I'm going to use the Google Translate thingy on my phone. It doesn't help, I can barely read this. So, go on then, it just works. Okay, yeah, remove the softened coating using a spatula or scraper. Rinse the stripped surface with warm water while rubbing together. Leave to dry for 24 hours. So yeah, just warm water apparently. Okay. I'm not going to do that in the kitchen sink, but I will do it in the mucky downstairs loo sink. Makes sense. Welcome to our very glamorous downstairs loo. It is gorgeous, isn't it? Okay. It's on the list of jobs to be done. So I'm going to wash the stuff in the bath that we have in here. We have a bath downstairs, which is disgusting. We never use it for us. We use it for cleaning paintbrushes and washing dogs. So it's perfect for this. I hope this works. This would be great if it works. Right. I must say the metal underneath is not quite as beautiful as I was hoping for. I was hoping it's going to be that lovely, you know, dark metal and then we could polish it up, but it just sort of looks grey. I take it back. Bit of elbow grease, bit of scrubby. Starting to look quite nice, actually. That is a surprise. That's a very nice surprise. I think it's the glasses. Oh no, that looks nice. Oh, excellent. Oh, I'm very happy. Okay, that gives me renewed energy to get these done. I've only got another 12, 16, I don't know, quite a few more to do, and then the whole door handles as well, but this is a good start. It is a very good start.
Another cup of tea.
This is the only one I've had since we got back. I made you coffee. This is my tea. It just took me a while to get around to it because I was doing other stuff first.
I made my own coffee. What are you talking about?
Oh no, I offered you coffee then, I didn't make it. Same. It's just the thought that counts, surely.
So what have you been doing then, darling?
So, well, I filmed all of this for the people already, but you were busy. So this one is just acetone, which I was hoping might work.
Oh.
Oh. Is it done? Oh, no, look.
Is it coming off?
It's a bit of coming off. There's my little scrapey things. Not great, but like first layer.
Oh, that's very good.
Not bad, is it, for being a bit less horrible chemically? Isn't it?
So what that's just plain old acetone?
Just acetone, yeah. Overnight. And then this one is the proper stuff.
What's the proper stuff?
The proper paint stripper.
Oh, okay.
You can. Yeah, it stinks. That's why I've got the door open. Ugh. And that already looks like it's doing more. Yeah, I'm gonna scrape that off onto here. Okay, I'm gonna rinse this and scrub it in the water now. I think that will hopefully help. Hey.
Nice.
That's pretty good, isn't it? Okay, so the final results of my experiments, I guess really not that surprising. It is, after all, the nasty chemicals that work best. So I tried the acetone again, and it's just rubbish. It doesn't do it. And I've got so much to do, it's going to take too long. I've also got these big bits to do, which are the long bits on the door handle that actually lock the door. So I tried doing one of those with the heat gun outside, and for some reason it just didn't work. Like the paint just didn't bubble up. So instead I wrapped it in tinfoil and goo, and that's what worked. So,
and goo?
Goo, yes, nasty goo.
Oh, nasty goo.
Nasty goo is the answer. So I think I'm going to be buying industrial quantities of nasty goo to get all the rest of these finished off, because that is just for one room, and then I'm going to do this in all the rooms.